Assalamu alaikum. Grade 10, page 520. Open and book on your page 520. This topic is called line of symmetry. Line of symmetry, this is something easy, just you have to imagine it, but it does not have any equations, so you think it will be equations or derivation or something like that. It's just looking at your diagram. Let me define what's the line of symmetry. It's a line that you draw, but it will be as a mirror image. It will be as a mirror image. It's here, it's defined here. A line of symmetry is the line that can be drawn through a shape so that what can be seen on the other side of the line is the line mirror image. Is a mirror image. Let me explain to you what does he mean with that. Simple principle. Let's go to example. For example, example number 1 on page 520. Example 9.1. Find the line of symmetries. Find the number of lines of symmetry for this cross. Let me show this cross here. You would like to have the line of symmetries. Let me see. I can see it. This line of symmetry, this one will be a line of symmetry here. So this is a line of symmetry. Okay, so if you look at this one, let's say if this is side A and this is side B, you can fold side A over side B, and it will be this is the mirror. This is the mirror image. So this is the mirror. So this one and this one are exactly the same, as if this is a mirror. If this one is looking at this one, and this one looking at this one, and if you fold it like this, they will fold over each other. Alright, let me see if I have another one. Could be also this one, why not? This could be line of mirror, line of symmetry. So this is a line of symmetry too. So again, this is a line of symmetry. We have another one. Okay, this is the center. Okay, it should meet at the center. Let me get this one here. This one I think is a line of symmetry too. This is a line of symmetry too. So this is another mirror. So this is a mirror. This could be a mirror too. The image from this side and this side could be flopped over each other, and it looks if this side is looking at this one or this one is looking at the other one, so it looks like a mirror. Now I believe I have another one here. Let me start from here, from the center here. This is a line of mirror symmetry again. So this is a mirror too. So how many lines of symmetry we have? We have this one, this horizontal one, this vertical one, those two symmetries, and this diagonal, 3 and 4. So we have 4 lines of symmetry. 4 lines of symmetry. Four lines of symmetry. This is the example. Let's go to a few exercises. Let's do an exercise number 1, 28A. Okay, and we'll go to 520. We'll start with number 1A. This is in the book. Please draw it with your hands. Please draw it again. Not just take a look at it. No, you have to draw it. Let's go to number 1A. This is just isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. It's like that. This line is equal to this side is equal to this side. But this is different isolysis. So the line of symmetry, I can see if I do horizontal one, no, it will not fit as a mirror. No. If I do a diagonal, no. The only way I have is to make a perpendicular one. The only way. So this one. So how many lines of symmetry? It has only one. Whatever you do, you cannot. For example, if you take it from here and you go here, it will not be symmetrical. You can see this one is now will not be symmetrical. So this is the only one. So it has one line of symmetry. One line of symmetry. One line of symmetry. Okay, it's one of us. Enough. Oh, it's one. It's one line of symmetry. Let me do number B. This is number A. Number B, it's equilateral triangle. All the sides are the same, are equal. So it will be like that. Okay, and one will be like this. And it's all of it are equilateral, okay? All the lines are equal. This is equal to this, equal to this. All of them are equal. How many lines of symmetry? Of course, as we did before, the perpendicular will be line of symmetry. Okay. But if we take another one from here to here, because this one divides, it will be perpendicular here. Okay, of course you know that this will be perpendicular. So this is 90 degrees, and it will divide this one into two parts exactly. So you can see that this small triangle here and this other small triangle here are exactly the same. So this is a mirror image. So we have one mirror image, second mirror image, and one of the rules that you can take a look when you do it, if this one comes here and this is a perpendicular, okay, and this line is equal to this line, so it divides it into two parts the same, it will be symmetrical. Another one here, this is perpendicular, this one is equal to this one, so we have how many? I can't see anymore, that's all. So we have three lines, you can see them, 1, 2, 3. So this is a mirror M, and this is a mirror M, and this is a mirror too, and this is a mirror M. So 3 lines of symmetry. Please take a look at it before I erase. This is the symbol here. Take a look. Okay, now I can erase maybe. Let me go to number C. This is B. This is B. Let me now go to number C. Number C. Number C, I have here a square. So all the lines are the same. Square. This is a square. This is a square. Okay, we have a square here. How many lines of symmetry here? We can see that if we have this one here, okay, this vertical one, this will be line of symmetry. So this is the mirror. Do we have another one? Of course, we have this one here. Okay, let's do this one here. This one is line of symmetry too. Okay. Now we have 4 small squares, huh? Alright, do we have another one? Yeah, this diagonal here, why not? This is a mirror, this is a mirror. We have another mirror here, why not this diagonal here? Oh, that's the 4th mirror. So this is a mirror too. So how many mirrors do we have? 1 mirror, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 mirrors, 4 lines as mirrors. Okay, or lines of symmetry. Lines of symmetry are 4. Let's do number D. This is number C. Use number D. Number D, let's go to D. It's like this one here. This one here, I don't see it has any lines of symmetry. No. No lines of symmetry. Not a perpendicular, not a vertical, not a diagonal. So no lines of symmetry. No lines of symmetry. No lines of symmetry. No. You can see it under no circumstances. Okay, if you do this and you consider, you think this one will be line of symmetry, look at this one. If you fold this one over the other one, they will not fit over each other. Over this line, no, they will not fit. So it has no lines of symmetry. So lines of symmetry are 0. It has no line of symmetry and line of symmetry, so you can say it's 0. Let's go to this is number D. Let me go to number E. Number E. Number E, we have this one like this. Rhombus, we call it rhombus. We have this rhombus here. How many lines of symmetry I think? I think we will have this one for sure. This will give us this side and this side are the same. And this side here, it's a little bit to draw. Yeah. And this one is a line of symmetry too. Okay? These I think the only ones that could be reflect each other. So we have this mirror and this mirror here. So lines of symmetry are 2. Let me do number F. If you try any other lines, will not fit as a line of symmetry. It will not work as a mirror image. Let me do the other one. The other one is like this. This one, I don't think here it will not fit because this one, if you do a horizontal one, this will be small, this big will not fit. So the only one that I can see it is the vertical one. This one is a mirror or line of symmetry. So it has only one line of symmetry. Let me do number F. This is number F. Let me do number G. Number G. Number G we have like this. Okay, this one here, trapezium, it has How many lines of symmetry? This horizontal will not fit. It will not be horizontal. It will not be symmetry. It has only one. This one here. So this is a mirror. It has only one line of symmetry. One line of symmetry. One. This is about question number 1. Let's go to question number 2. Let's go with question number 2. We have this. He said pentagon, regular pentagon. Pentagon means it has 5 sides. So it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon. So it has 5 sides. So 5 sides. I don't know how many ones it will have. One, two. 1, 2, 3. This is quite. Let me see it how it's come. One, two. So I will come back to this little one. Okay, I don't see it clear to me now, but we will come back to it. Okay, but I think it's 1. But we'll do it later on. Okay, let me go to number B first. Number 2. Okay, number 2. Number 2. Let's start with number 2. I. This one here, it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the hexagon. It's a hexagon with 6 lines. So how many lines we have here? Hexagon. We have. Alright. Each line we can have this one here and to this point. So this is one line of symmetry. Okay. This line here and this line here, this is 2. This is okay. This is 1, this one, and this one 3. Alright. Now we have 3 hexagons, 3 lines. Okay. But if we look inside, this has 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 3 from this, and this is 3. Okay, 3 plus. This could be inside, okay? This is for the hexagon. But if you look at inside, okay, this part and this part, this will be counted again. So this one will fit over this one. This is another one. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6. 1, he looked at, you can look at it another way. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each one, so each one is the line of symmetry. So it has 6 lines of symmetry. 6 lines of symmetry, right? This internal, this is 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each one folds these 2 over each other. So it has 6 lines of symmetry. 6 lines of symmetry. Let me go to the other one, which is octagon. Octagon has 8 sides. Okay, take a look at it, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go to do the octagon. Octagon, it has 8 sides. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if this one is to be looking at, so this will go like this, and this will go like this, this will go like this, and this will go like this. See the center here? So it has how many lines of symmetry? This one and this one, this is the line of symmetry here, 1. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All these lines are lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has 8 lines of symmetry. 8 lines of symmetry. This is a line of symmetry between this part, this one, and this one. Between, for example, this is, if this is 1, this is 2, so this is the line of symmetry. This is 3. Okay, we have line of symmetry between this and this. And this one is between 2 and 3. And this one is between 3 and 4, and so on. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines of symmetry. Okay, this is the third one. Let's go and do number 1 again. We did not finish number 1. 1, 2, pentagon, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, if we go like that, and we go like that, and we go like that, yeah, all sides are connected now. We have how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. This is 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here it does not work. No, it will not work as line of symmetry. Here I think with pentagon, 1 side, 2 side, 3. This is not the pentagon. This is the hexagon. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the hexagon. It has 6. But pentagon with 5. Pentagon with 5. This one here, this is the pentagon. As he drew it, okay. This is the pentagon. It has only 1. Okay. You cannot do that one. This is the only one. Okay. This is the mirror here. So it has one mirror, one image only. Otherwise, if you do it any other way, they will not fit over each other. It has one. Otherwise, 5 will not fit. 6 will fit, 8 will fit, but 5 will not fit. Now let's go to number B. Number 3, okay. How many lines of symmetry it has? This one here. Number 3. And this one will look like this, okay. Okay. This has how many lines of symmetry? This one will be line of symmetry, of course. Okay, so this is maybe a mirror. But another one which could be fit where? Here in the middle, between here and here, okay? Look at this mirror here. this one here, okay? This is the mirror too. If you flip them over each other with this line here, which is touches here and touches here. So this is a mirror too. So it has two lines of mirror. Two. This is a mirror and this is a mirror too. So it has two mirrors. This is number 3. Hey, okay. How about the other one, which is next? You can see that it looks like this, okay? This one has only one line of symmetry. One line of symmetry. It will come like this one from here, from here, from here. Draw it. This is the mirror. So it has one line of symmetry. Okay, maybe this is enough. That's enough for you. You get the idea. Now, okay. Next time we'll start with maybe rotational symmetry. Maybe it's enough for today. And God bless you. ربي يخليكم إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم.